and calm brain break. Hi friends, this is Tully, the peaceful penguin who helps us breathe in calmly and let our worries float away. Today we're taking a quick break to cool down, move gently, and feel calm. You can follow along with us. Ready to glide with Tully? Glacier Reach Warm-Up. Let's start seated, taking our legs out wide on either side of Tully. Place your hands on top of Tully. Next, you will gently roll your buddy forward, stretching your arms all the way out. Take a deep breath while peeking over your ball like it's an iceberg, and let it out, lowering your head back down. Now roll your buddy back toward you and roll out one more time. Inhale, peeking over the ball. Exhale, roll it back toward you. Great job! Snowy twist. Now let's stand up tall with Tully in your hands. Keep your feet planted on the ground like the roots of a snowy tree. Next, push Tully forward away from your belly. Now twist gently to one side, inhaling as you twist, exhaling as you come back to center. Twist to the opposite side, inhaling as you twist, then exhale to center. Let's do it one more time. Twist to one side, inhale, exhale to center. Inhale to the other side, exhale to center. Icy Igloo. Let's make our way to the back of the mat for our next move. Place your bubble plush in the center of your mat. Let's build Tully a cozy igloo. Place your knees on the mat next to Tully, then slide your belly on top of your buddy like you're sliding on ice. Place your hands firmly on the ground in front of you. Now tuck your toes and your hips toward the sky until your body makes a triangle shape. That's your igloo. Let's take one calm breath together. In through your nose and out. Bring your knees down to the ground. One last snuggle. Tully loves that you took a moment to feel calm today. Wrap your arms gently around Tully and say,
I am calm. I am relaxed.
Thanks for gliding with us. See you next time.
BubblePlush!